Hey lovely souls, welcome to another episode of She Health. Let's talk about self-care. I know I just said S word. No, not shopping or spa days. I mean the simple act of taking care of yourself. But let's be real. How many of us actually do it? You plan to have the me time, but instead you're fixing the Wi-Fi problems of your family. You're so busy taking care of everyone else that you forget that drinking coffee for breakfast isn't an actual meal plan. And this one is my favorite. You feel guilty for resting. Like, who gave us this no rest for the good girls manual? Here's the truth, ladies. If your phone battery is allowed to recharge every night, so are you. So grab a cup of tea or coffee. I don't judge. And let's talk about how to embrace self-care in a world that glorifies burnout. Here's the deal. Society has tricked us into thinking that self-care is selfish. They've handed us this invisible checklist called How to Be the Perfect Woman. And it goes something like this. Be a great mom, wife, friend, daughter, and employee, all at the same time. Keep the house clean, but make it look effortless. Always say yes, even when your inner voice is screaming no. Oh, and don't forget to look like a movie star while you're doing it all. Easy peasy, right? I was taking a weekend off just to relax. And they replied, "Wow, it must be nice to be so lazy." Lazy? Honey, I'm not lazy. I'm alive. Big difference. But jokes aside, this mindset is dangerous. When we don't prioritize ourselves, we run out of energy. Stress builds up, leading to health issues like headaches, insomnia, and you guessed it, snapping at your kids because they asked, "What's for dinner?" Alright, let's burst some self-care myths because honestly, some of these ideas are why we avoid it in the first place. Listen, you don't need a 5-star spa to recharge. Candles that cost more than your rent. Sometimes it's just sitting in your car alone for 5 minutes before going inside. Blissful, isn't it? Let me break it down for you. Taking care of you means you have more energy and love to give others. You can't pour from an empty cup, my friend. Let me break this down for you. Taking care of you means to have more care, more love, more energy to give others. You can't just pour from an empty cup, my friend, right? It's not about adding hours to your day. It's about stealing those moments like that 2 minutes you're waiting for your coffee to brew. Use this to stretch or take a deep breath. You'll be just amazed at how the small things add up. Now let's get the good stuff. Here's how you can actually start prioritizing your self-care without quitting your jobs or moving to the mountains. Put it on your calendar like you would a meeting. Call it Operation Me Time. Don't overwhelm yourself with the whole routine. Pick just one thing like drinking more water. Seriously, ladies, hydrate. Your skin will thank you for that. Girls, practice this with me. No thanks. Didn't that feel liberating? Use it on unnecessary obligations. Here's my favorite trick. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, stop and take 5 minutes. Breathe in deeply, meditate, or even just close your eyes and imagine yourself on a beach. Dance around your kitchen while cooking. Buy that funky pair of socks or sing loudly in the shower. Self-care is about enjoying life, not waiting for some perfect moment. So here's the truth, ladies. Self-care isn't about luxury. It's about survival. It's the secret ingredient to being your best self, whether it's at home, at work, or just living life. Remember, taking care of yourself doesn't make you selfish. It makes you smart. And honestly, we need more smart and strong women in this world, don't we? So go ahead, light that candle, take that extra nap, drink that extra coffee if it makes you happy. Because when you take care of you, you are better at taking care of everything else. Now tell me in the comments or DMs, what's that one self-care ritual you're committing to this week? Let's inspire each other to make self-care a lifestyle, not just a trend. Stay bold, stay balanced, and remember, you've got this.